Now we are starting our class, and as you know that today's topic is India, you have to speak about India, and each of you will be given 3 minutes time. Okay? So yes, come on, start, Khushbu.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes Batch First. As we all know that today's our topic is about India, and we all know about India because it is our country. India is famous for its rich heritage. India is the seventh largest country in the world, and the main slogan is India is unity and diversity. And most of the people know each other, and they help each other, and they are living with brotherhood. If I talk about here's different caste of people living, and they are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Christian, etc. And they are very kind. And if I talk about here's clothes is very different from others country. If I talk about food, here's food is different from other country because India is known as the pink city. India is known as the Bharat and Hindustan. People are religion to other religion, and they worship daily. uh, that's it, sir.
Only 1 minute about
Yes, sir.
India. About India.
सर गले में दर्द हो रहा है.
Okay. Yes, come on, Gati.
Yes, sir. Hello, hello everyone. My name is Gati and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes B1. Today's our topic is about India. India is our country and we are the natives of India. Uh, it is called the country of unity in diversity because there are many diversities in it. At the basis of food, at the basis of area, at the basis of climate, at the basis of language. But after these all diversities, the people of India live together with brotherhood. Uh, if At the topmost peak of India is Godwin Austen, and at the uh, north side of India is Himalaya, and India is a country of bravery, of courage, and many legends born in this country, like Mahana Pratap, like Swami Vivekanand, and many legends were born here. Uh, in India, many places have most of the rain of India, but and they have to face the flood. But at the same place, some area have to face the drought. It express the diversity of climate in India. At the Many languages are spoken here, like in the south, the south language is spoken by the people, and the dresses of people are also different. But in the people of India, has a type of humanity. Because of it, all people live together at the time of wars, at the time of pandemic, like in present time when corona is going on. All people are together with the humanity, because in this in th- at that time our country is facing a big pandemic, and it is in problem. And there are many good leaders also in our country. This and Many festivals are celebrated here, and all festivals are celebrated very nicely, and all the peoples of it is not matter that which festival is about which religion. All religion people celebrate all festivals here. And in technology also, our India is developing day by day, to
Time is over, 10 seconds more.
okay uh, at least I want to say that India is a great country. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. यस, कमान रुचिका.
Yes, hello friends, myself Ruchika and today I'm telling about India. As we all know that India is known as also Vishwaguru and its second name is Hindustan. It is very famous country and its capital is New Delhi. There are 28 states and 9 union territory, but they although they are states, but all states people live with together, and all the people live here. All the people live with happiness and joy, and here all the people can get freedom, which is not given to the other countries. And here there are many types of the different type of people live, like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Bodh, etc. And the unity in diversity is the most important example of India. And India is a great country, and here many famous people were born, and the knowledge that from the India so much knowledge was given to the other countries that they are using now, like for the
कटता है.
चिकित्सा, Maharshi Rishi
तो
give
पहले
the
कैसे कम काट रहे हो?
knowledge, and India is also
27%
different.
से ज्यादा
India
है, 15%
has
बताया
also
था आपने
many
दोनों.
different things, like
हैं?
there 22
किसमें?
languages are spoken, and more than it are also
अच्छा,
spoken. And in the Rajasthan is the biggest state of India, and
और
here
अब तो नहीं
their
कटेगा.
food is also eaten according
हैं?
to the states. Like in the Rajasthan, dal bati churma is eaten,
हाँ,
and in the Punjab, मक्के की रोटी and
मेरे को मैडम बता तो देते
sarson ka saag is eaten. And in the if we talk
हैं?
about Tamil Nadu, then there idli dosa is eaten. And in the dressing, it is also different, because all according to the states, people wear to the dresses. And in the all situation,
क्योंकि
the
मैडम एक
people
बार
of
बता देते
India
कम से
live
कम एक कलंक तो
with
नहीं लगता हमारे
together,
माथे पे.
and all the people of India
हाँ, चलो हो गया,
India
एक
do
और
not
ले लिया.
like that they are from other
हैं?
house or other home,
दे
because
अगली
they
बार का दे देंगे,
all
कोई
live
दिक्कत नहीं
with
है.
brotherhood in every situation.
30%
And
दे देंगे,
there
बता तो दो यार.
there
हम तो
many
आपके भी दे
festivals
देते,
are
तुम बोलते तो हमारे
celebrated by
को.
all the people. And
हाँ,
the India is a great country. That's also.
धब्बा लगा दिया तुमने तो. के वेरी गुड रुचिका, बहुत अच्छा फ्लो है, शाबाश. यस तमन्ना.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm Tamanna. Today, I'm going to
धब्बा लगा दिया आपने हमारे.
my express
जिंदगी में कभी नहीं हुआ ऐसा.
about India. As we all know, we are living in India. It is also called
30%
Bharat
का
and
मतलब कितना हो गया?
Hindustan. It is the country of
अब
many
तो कर देंगे 13,500
many
रुपए.
lords, like
बताते तो सही कम से कम.
Lord Ram, Lord Shri Krishna.
कभी 2% काट रहे हो, कभी
There
3% काट रहे हो. साले
there
मूर्ख हो
are
क्या बिल्कुल.
28 states and
उसमें लिख रहा था कि 27%
nine
कटेगा. हमने को 15% बताया था.
union territories.
बता
In
देते ना
it,
पहले भी हमारे को. हम
all
27% कर देते,
states
बर्डन कम होता
have
हमारा तो.
their different dressing languages and their different
13,000
rules.
13,000 रुपए कटेगा.
Many
14,000 रुपए
many different
कर देंगे. 13,000
caste
में कोई दिक्कत
of
नहीं है.
people live
तो
in
अब भी कर
India,
देते हैं हम तो.
like Bodh,
अब
Hindu,
तो नहीं कटेगा कि हम
Muslim,
डाल दें पैसे, फिर आप डेबिट कर लो.
etc. They have their different dressing. um, we live in Rajasthan. Rajasthan. New Delhi is the capital of India.
जीरो कर दिया.
India.
मूर्ख कहेंगे.
That's it, sir.
ओके बेटा, थोड़ी सी लेंथ बढ़ाओ, है ना.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस में लाओ आप. थोड़ी सी रिकॉर्डिंग वगैरह करते हो, नहीं करते हो अपनी खुद की?
Yes, sir.
करते हो?
Yes, sir.
करके सुनते हो? कितने दिन पहले की थी?
सर अभी तो नहीं की, पहले की थी.
पहले की तो बात छोड़ो, पहले कब, 2-4 साल पहले?
नहीं सर।
तो पहले का क्या मतलब है? जब मैं पूछ रहा हूँ करते हो क्या, यहाँ करते हैं। जब मैंने पूछा कितने दिन पहले की थी, कि अभी तो कितने दिन पहले की थी बेटा?
सर 15 डेज ago.
हाँ बेटा, रेगुलर रखो आप इसको, तब आएगा ये फ्लो, है ना?
Okay sir.
हाँ ओके, यस कम ऑन नाउ। श्री सबसे छोटी बच्ची है। यस श्री।
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is Nikesh Sharma. Today I tell you about India. Mm, I live in India. It
हाँ
is it is very big country.
हाँ
There there are 28 states in India.
हाँ
There is mm, our Prime Minister is Mr. Nagendra Modi
वो
ji.
नगेंद्र नहीं, नरेंद्र मोदी।
Narendra Modi.
हाँ बोल।
There is so much population in India.
हाँ बोलती रहे बस, जल्दी, शाबाश।
There um, there live there there most the there are so many people live in India and they help to each other.
हाँ
They
शाबाश,
they
घबराए मत।
believe on God and
हाँ
most of Indians are religious.
हाँ
Most of Indians live in villages. New Delhi New Delhi is capital of India.
हम्म
India is very beautiful country.
हम्म
There are so many rivers like Ganga, Jamuna, etc. There are so many festivals celebrated like Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Eid, etc. Um, there are so many villages and but there are not there are lack of facilities
वेरी गुड। हाँ
like hospital, school, etc. So villagers can't get lack of schools. They can't get proper high education. So government should open their schools and lack of hospitals. They can't get proper सर इलाज को क्या बोलते हैं?
इलाज,
Treatment.
ट्रीटमेंट। हाँ
Treatment. So government should open their hospitals. I live in India. I like India so much. I live in Rajasthan and Jaipur is capital of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is also very beautiful.
टाइम इज
And
ओवर।
that's
शाबाश
it. Thank
शाबाश,
you, sir.
बहुत अच्छा, कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत अच्छा है बेटा तेरा, है ना? शाबाश, बस ऐसी कोशिश करती रहे बेटा, वेरी गुड। यस दृश्य।
Hello everyone, I am Drashya Agrawal. Today I am going to tell you about India. India is very big. India has so many countries. India has so many states, cities, villages, etc. India consists of India consists population of 139 crores, which is very much. Um, um, there are many hospitals in India by which people get a good treatment. Our the name of Prime Minister of India is Mr. Narendra Modi. He is a good person. He helps the poor one. There are 28 states and 9 territories in India. India, many great persons take born in India.
टेक बर्थ।
Take birth in India. They help the whole India. They make the सर महान को क्या बोलते हैं?
ग्रेट।
they make the India great. India, the that's it, sir.
तो बस 1.5 मिनट, मैं तो लग रहा था कि 3 मिनट का टाइम कम दे रहा हूं मैं आपको, है? कोई बात नहीं, कोशिश करते रहो। यस प्रीति।
Good evening, all of you. My name is Preeti Agrawal. Today, our topic is India, which is our country. So, it is called by the other names Bharat, Hindustan, and it is very popular all over the world. India is the country where many Britishers ruled over many centuries on India. But after few days, many great persons took birth in India, and they fought for our freedom, and we got freedom on 15th August 1947. So India became a democratic country from that day. India is the most democratic country in the world. India is the second most populated country in the world. The population of our country is about 135 crore. So India is the country which has many diversities, and but still it has unity. India is the country. India has 28 states, and all the states have their own foods, their own dressing sense. But when we visit to any state, we are not related from that, but we don't feel that we are not from this state. We think we get the culture like us. That culture is different, but still we mix up there, because the people of the other states also love to each other. They welcome to each other. They don't care that this person is coming from the other state, so we should not welcome him. They welcome to all the persons. If the person is coming from the out country, then they welcome that also. So many people, many foreigners have come to India to visit the country, because there are many places to visit. As we have Taj Mahal, which is the one of the seven wonders. So foreigners come there to visit, which is situated in Agra. Many people come to visit Jaipur, because there are many places to visit, and we have also India is also called the Dev Bhumi, because many Lord got took birth here. Lord Rama was birthed here, and Lord Krishna was also took birth here. So
ओके बोलो बोलो, मैं टोकूंगा नहीं, बोलो।
okay, sir. Many people come here to visit these places also, and we all worship daily. India is the only country where all religious people live, but they respect to other religions also. People go to the temple and they worship. People also go to the mosque. They also offer the namaz there, and they are
इसको एक बार चेक करवा ले वहां ले
gurudwaras
जाके,
where also
ऑनलाइन
people
आएगी
go
कैसे आएगी?
for worship. That's it, sir.
ओके कम, ठीक है, अच्छा है। थोड़ा सा और ठीक करो, थोड़ा सा ग्रामेटिकल है ना,
Okay, sir.
बाकी ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, फ्लो वगैरह सब बढ़िया है। यस अशफाक।
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Safan. I am the student of Ramban English Online Tutorial.
क्या करेगा बेटा, फिर बता कौन सी
Today's our
मोमो है?
topic is India. There are many festivals. Many festivals are celebrated here like Diwali, Eid, Holi, Makar Sankranti, Raksha Bandhan, Dashera,
किसकी मोमो है?
etc. Small festivals are also celebrated here like Tej, Gangor, etc.
बेटा जी है इसकी?
India is divided in 29 states.
हाँ?
All the states are famous.
हाँ
Many languages are spoken here.
हाँ
Many castes of people live here.
हाँ
They live with each other with happiness.
हाँ, ले 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 बेटा।
India's national anthem is Rashtragan.
हाँ शाबाश.
India's national wow, झंडे क्या बोलते हैं सर?
Flag.
Wow. India's national flag is Tiranga. India's national animal is Bagh. India's national bird is peacock. India's national flower is Kamal. There are world famous Thar Marusthal in Rajasthan, in India. There are world famous mountain in India. Its name is Mount Everest. It is very beautiful. India has 3 types of force: Air Force, Navy, and Army. India is very powerful country. There are many types of tourist places like Taj Mahal, Vijay Sthamb, Lal Killa, and many types of rivers.
शाबाश बेटा. Very
Hawa
good.
Mahal,
हाँ.
Hawa
साइकिल की
Mahal,
टेंशन मत कर, तो बोल बस. हाँ.
many mountain and natural things. There are many types of temples. There सर केंद्र शासित प्रदेश को क्या बोलते हैं?
Union Territory States.
Union Territory States. There are 7 Union Territory States. अजूबों को क्या बोलते हैं? अजूबे.
Wonders.
There are 7 wonders in India like Taj Mahal, Hawa Mahal, Lal Killa, etc. And many languages are spoken here like Hindi, English, Tamil, Punjabi, Gujarati, Maharashtra.
Time is over बेटा.
Okay, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. बस ये कोशिश ही है जो आपको लेके जाएगी आगे, ध्यान रखना. समझ रहे हैं ना? कॉन्फिडेंस, कोशिश, यही चीज है जो आपको लेकर के जाएगी बस, और कोई बात नहीं है. यस स्वानी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today's our topic is India, and India is a very big country, and it is the 7th largest country in world. And there are many states and their districts. There are 20 states and 7 union. There are 20 states and there are also 7 union territories. And there are most beautiful. Its capital is Delhi, and Delhi is so beautiful state. And there are many. Its largest state is Rajasthan. It is so beautiful, and there are many people. There are many different types of people, and they are different religions. There are different religions people also, and there are people is very kind. There are people is very kind and helping. There is a helping nature, and their politicians are very nice, and polite country is very nicely, and their president is Mr. Narendra Modi.
प्रेसिडेंट नहीं, प्राइम मिनिस्टर. थोड़ा ध्यान से.
Sorry, sir. Prime Minister is Mr. Narendra Modi. He control is our country is very nicely, and there are many different languages. Sir, बोली जाती हो क्या कहेंगे?
आगे ना बोल तो रही थी अभी. स्पोकन आ तो रहा था तेरे मुंह में अभी. हाँ.
Okay, sir. There are many different languages are spoken, and there are many different types of clothes are wear. There are South Indian clothes. There are Punjabi clothes. There are many types of different clothes. There are big market of clothes, and there are very big there are big counting of clothes factories, and there are सर बड़ी मतलब बहुत ज्यादा कपड़े यहाँ पे बनते हैं. सर इसको क्या बोलेंगे?
A lot of clothes are made here.
there are lots of clothes are made here, and in there are they. I live in India, and I love India very much. I live in India in Rajasthan. I am happy here. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। कोशिश करो, बस कॉन्फिडेंस रखा करो, समझ गए ना? सही गलत की टेंशन मत किया करो, समझ गए ना? और कोशिश तो किया करो अगर अच्छा सही बोलने की, पर ज्यादा टेंशन मत किया करो, बस कॉन्फिडेंस रखा करो। ओके, यस स्पर्श।
Yes, sir.
तो बेटा ये वैसे
Hello,
आइए
good
तो
evening, everyone. My name is Sparsh Gupta, and I am
थोड़ी
the
आएगी सैम
student
सर
of
की।
Brahman English online interactive classes from batch B1.
अच्छा,
And today I am going to tell you about
और इसकी कितने की आती बड़ी वाली?
about my country, India.
सेम है।
India is
इसकी
one of the
मंगवा लेते हैं
best
एक बार,
country
देख लेते
of
हैं।
the world.
इसकी मंगवा लेंगे बाद
It
में,
is
चल रहा है
there
सुधार है।
are 29 states and
पैसे है कि नहीं
7
बेटा?
union territories in India. It is one of the most beautiful country of the world. It is also called the agricultural country, where many types of crops are grown. Here people speak many different languages in different states. Here there are so many tourism places. There are so many tourism places by which on which we can visit, and we can get some knowledge about it. Here animals and trees are also worshipped. There are 3 types of monsoon found in India. There are 4 types of monsoon found in India. It is also called the university in diversity. There are so many rivers. There are so many rivers like Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, and Ganga. Ganga is also called the holy river of India. There are so many places to visit in India. There are so many geographical places in India to visit. Here, many legends have been born, like Maharana Pratap, Chacha Nehru ji, Chhatrapati Shivaji Rao, and etc. It is also called the legends. It is also called the legends born country. I am proud to be an Indian, and I love my country, India. That's it.
ओके, यू स्पोक 1 minute and 40 seconds। कोई बात नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, टाइम इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, है ना? यस कम ऑन, पर अच्छा है, कोशिश बहुत अच्छी है तेरी। यस
Yes.
कम ऑन हर्षित। हर्षित, हर्षित। ओके, दिव्यांशी।
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Divyanshi, and I am telling about India. We all about it, India, because we live in India. India is a very beautiful country. India's Prime Minister is Narendra Modi. India's capital is New Delhi. There are so many states. There are so many states. Many people live in different states with their different language and different dresses, different dance and different food. There are 36 crore Devi Devtas. Oh, sir. There are 36 crore gods. Every people worship them every day. There are so many festivals like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Eid, Makar Sankranti, etc. Every festival has its importance,
शाबाश।
and every people.
एवरी पीपल नहीं, ऑल पीपल कभी भी नहीं। एवरी सिंगुलर है, पीपल प्लूरल है, ध्यान रखो।
All people celebrate all the festival wonderfully and enjoyfully. Every people,
एवरी पीपल फिर बोला आपने?
all people
हाँ,
help everyone, and all people has a kindly nature.
काइंड नेचर।
There are so many village and farms,
Hmm.
and there are there are so many places for visiting, and many visitors come every year here
Hmm.
for watching our festivals and our country. There are Ganga, Yamuna, and Godavari. There are a famous Everest, which name is Mount Everest.
Hmm.
There are so many places where we can visit and enjoy
Hmm.
with our family, friends.
Hmm.
There are so many legends who saves our country.
टाइम इज ओवर. बोल ले, कोई बात नहीं, 10 सेकंड और दे रहा हूँ.
No, sir, thank you.
ओके, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है, करते रहो. रिकॉर्डिंग करते हो नहीं करते हो? नहीं करते? किया करो. यस करीना.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Karina Nalwani.
Hmm.
Today I am telling about the India.
Hmm.
India is a huge and beautiful country.
Hmm.
It is full of wonder.
Hmm.
From the Himalayas to the ocean.
Hmm.
Here and in India there are so many religions who live
Hmm.
in the India.
Hmm.
There is no discrimination.
Hmm.
All people live together
Hmm.
with the brotherhood and the humanity.
Hmm.
India is also known for the diversity in the region, languages and food, dressing sense, and every state has a different culture and their language style. In India, there are so many festivals, and all people celebrate. All people celebrate festivals together.
Hmm.
Each state has its incredible beauty. As a nation, each state has its own history of religion.
Very good.
In the field of literature and science, our country has produced a personality such as
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. बोल बोल, हाँ, अटके मत.
Abdul Kalam, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Tara Chandra Raman,
Hmm.
CV, uh, and our country has so many villages.
Hmm.
I am proud of our villages, that from where we are getting our foods
Hmm.
and vegetables.
Hmm.
And there are two types of areas in the India. One is urban area and the second is rural area.
Hmm.
In urban areas, there are so many facilities like schools for the student. From there, they can get their qualification.
Hmm.
And there is a hospital facility.
Hmm.
Because of that, people don't have to do hard work for the patient.
Hmm.
In the rural areas, there is no vehicle.
Hmm.
Some people have vehicles only.
टाइम इज ओवर. 10 सेकंड और दिए, चल.
There is no education facility for the students. That's all. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. आज तो आवाज भी सही थी तुम्हारी, है ऑडिबल थी, हर बार की तरह गड़बड़ नहीं थी. वेरी गुड. Yes, come on, Priyanka.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. Myself Priyanka Sharma from B2. Today, I want to tell you about my country, India. India is a beautiful country. It is famous for its culture and traditions. People of different religions and caste live here with unity, like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, etc. And Hindi is the national language of the country, although other languages are spoken here like English, Punjabi, Haryanvi, etc. India got independence on 15 August 1947 from British rule. India is the 7th largest country by area and also second most popular country. There are 29 states and 8 union territories of it.
Very good.
Delhi is the capital of the country.
Delhi
is the capital of the country, and India is well known for tourist place. Indian food is popular in the world like dal bati churma, khaman dokla, idli sambar, etc. It is our motherland. There are many rivers in it like Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Mandakini. And there are celebrated many festivals like Holi, Diwali, Sankranti, Rakhi, etc. And Indian National Congress was the first political party of India, and India is currently governed by BJP. The PM of India is Narendra Modi, while the President of the country is Ramnath Kovind. The national anthem of India is Jan Gan Man, and the national song of India is Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. There are many beautiful places and temples. India is very famous in all over the world. I am so happy that I am the member of it, and I love and proud on it so much. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, come on, Jyoti.
Hello everyone. My name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Class Batch First. Today I am here to speak about our country India, and we all know that India is the greatest country in whole world, and it is big and beautiful country of others, and there are many religious people live in India like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, etc. And they live with brotherhood, and there are many festivals are celebrated in India like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Eid, Muharram, Ganesh Chaturthi, Shivratri, Janmashtami, etc. And there are many visitors places in India like Taj Mahal, Hawa Mahal, Jal Mahal, etc. And we all know that many greatest people born in our country like Maharana Pratap, Sawai Jai Singh, Bhagat Singh, Abdul Kalam, etc. And those person do much work for their country and sacrifice their lives without thinking their life, and they think much about people, and many people live here with love and brotherhood. They don't think bad about other person. Like when we celebrate Diwali, then we call all friends on Diwali. सर चाहे को क्या बोलेंगे, चाहे भी
Whether
किसी भी,
it doesn't matter whether, it doesn't
it
matter
doesn't
much which religion do they belong.
it doesn't matter
Religion,
they
which religion
which religion
they belong.
they belong, and those person without thinking they come also and wishes us, and when come Eid, we also go to their homes and wish them Eid, and there are many lords born in India.
Time is over. Okay, 10 सेकंड और हैं, बोल लो आप.
There are many lords born here, like Krishna, Ram, like Lord Krishna, Ram, and other. That's it, Guruji.
ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है. कोशिश बहुत अच्छी है, वेरी गुड. करते रहो, आप कोशिश करते रहो बस. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
सही गलत कुछ नहीं होता है, बस कोशिश होती है. मेन इंपॉर्टेंट बात ये है ना? कंटिन्यू रखो अपनी कोशिश, अपनी कंटिन्यू रखो आप बस. यस, कम ऑन वंश.
Hello friends, my name is Vansh Sharma from B8. Hello friends, I am telling about India. There are 29 states in India like Jammu Kashmir, Bihar, Sikkim, etc. It is very beautiful country. New Delhi is the New Delhi is the New Delhi is the capital of India. India is a very famous country in the whole world. Now, the PM of India is Shri Narendra Damodar Modi. The President of India is Ramnath Kovind. There are many tourist places in India like Ladakh, Sikkim, etc. There are India's population is 121 crore. There are many famous temple in India.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहा है बेटा, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. बोल रहा है
Like Vaishno Devi Temple and Golden Temple. There is a big Thar desert in India. Its name is Thar Desert. There are many festivals celebrated in India like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, etc. India is a very famous country in whole world. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. वंश, आज तूने बहुत अच्छे काम किया, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है बेटा तूने.
थैंक यू सर.
है ना? रीडिंग डाल रहे हो ना? वो स्पीकिंग डाल रहे हो ना अपनी रोजाना?
यस सर.
हाँ, आज भी डाली थी क्या? मुझे ध्यान नहीं है, मैंने सुनी तो होगी. हाँ, आज डाली थी, मैंने सुनी थी बेटा. बिल्कुल करते रहो आप ही, है ना?
ओके सर.
सब खत्म हो जाएगी प्रॉब्लम. यस, कम ऑन नया.
Hello friends. Hello friends, my name is Neha Sharma and I am the student of Ramban Live Interactive Classes. Today I want to speak about my country, India. India is very famous and beautiful country in the world, and it is seventh largest country in the world. It ranks second in population in population in terms of population, and its shape is it is very shaped country, and its shape is very beautiful, and it is famous for its heritage, culture, folk dances, and its food, etc. There are 29 states in India like Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, MP, UP, etc. And many different castes of people live in India, like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Jain, Bodh, Farsi, etc. And it's famous for its food in the world, like dal bati churma in Rajasthan, and dhokla khaman in Gujarat, makki ki roti sarson ka saag in Punjab, and idli sambar in West Bengal, etc.
top three medical. There are many medical colleges in India, which is famous in world. AIMS is top first medical college in India, and FMC is third top medical college in India, and many foreign students want to take admission in these medical colleges. And my country is developing country, but it is very but is but it is but there are many faculties in my country, and it is and it is famous for its techniques, agriculture
Techniques.
agriculture area, etc. And New Delhi is the capital of my country, and UP and Jammu Kashmir is called the heaven of the earth in India. Many tourist places in India like Rohtang, Songiri, Gulmarg, and etc. Many religious places in India which are famous in world, like Prem Mandir and Prem Mandir, Govind Dev Ji Mandir, Venkateshwar Mahadev Mandir, Kali Devi Mandir, etc. And that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। नेहा, आज बहुत अच्छा था तुम्हारा। बस एक बात कहूंगा मैं तुमसे।
यस सर।
अपना थोड़ा सा जो तुम्हारे प्रोनाउंसिएशन है ना,
यस सर,
इनको आप थोड़ा सा ठीक
ओके सर,
है ना, आगे बड़ा असर पड़ता है इनका। ठीक है बेटा?
ठीक है सर।
यस, कम ऑन, Sonam.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Sonam Meena. Today, I am talking about India. India is a peaceful and democratic country. It is one of the 7th largest country of the world. It is the second most populated country of the world. It is also called as the Bharat or Hindustan. People in India are of various religions like Hindu, Muslim, Jain, Sikh, Buddha, Christians live here together in every part of the country. Hindi is the national language of the country, although various other languages are spoken here. It was a slave country earlier to 1947 under the British rule. However, after many years of hard struggles and sacrifices of great Indian freedom fighters, India got freedom from British rule in 1947. There are many festivals celebrated here like Diwali, Holi, Rakhi, Dasara, Janmashtami, etc. There are many visiting palace here. There are many types clothes wear in India. India is famous for its rich culture, heritage, and diversity. There are many lack of facilities in India like schools, hospitals, and libraries. The main slogan of India is unity of diversity. India is a place where I was born. I am proud of India. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड। कम बोला लेकिन ठीक है, 1.25 मिनट बोला आपने। ठीक है, फ्लो तो फर्स्ट क्लास आ ही चुका है अब आपका है। वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप। यस, कम ऑन निशा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from district. Today, I am going to tell you about my country. My country name is India. It is called Bharat and Hindustan. India is a very beautiful country and it is famous all over the world for its culture. India has 29 states and all religion people live here. All religion people live in our religion culture and they celebrate their festivals. India is our motherland. We were born and brought up here. India is a big country in the world. It is one of the big power in Asia. Many languages are spoken here like that Hindi, English, Tamil, Kannada, etc. And all people talk to each other in their language. India has many beautiful places like that Delhi, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Raj Bhavan, etc.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हो बेटा. हाँ.
Land is very fertile where farmers do farming.
Hmm.
India has a big saltwater lake in the world.
Very
India has big river island. Their name is Brahmaputra River Island. It is located at Assam
बहुत बढ़िया.
in Brahmaputra River. India has big river. Their name is Ganga. It is inside from Great Himalaya. India has two plateaux. Their name are Dhakkan Plateau and Chota Nagpur.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
Cold and hot desert. India has a big Everest. Their name is Kanchenjunga. India has many visitors places like that: Hawa Mahal, Jantar Mantar, Agra Fort, etc.
वेरी गुड.
India is a great country, and I am very happy because I am a one Indian.
वेरी गुड,
That's
बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड. 2 minutes and 14 seconds, but nice speaking. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश. अब आ जाओ. यामिनी. Yamini from B9. Yes, come on, Yamini. Very good. I am very happy.
Hello friends, my name is Yashashvi Sahu. I read in B9. Today's topic is India. India is very beautiful country. India's capital is Delhi. India's Prime Minister name is Narendra Modi.
शाबाश. Very good. हाँ, बहुत
There
बढ़िया. हाँ.
are so many festivals celebrate in India.
हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. हाँ.
Holi, Diwali, Dussehra, etc. So many language tell here.
आर स्पोकन है यार. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोल तू तो.
Spoken here. Like Gujarati, Punjabi, Marwathi, etc. There are 29 states
Very
in
good.
India.
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
World famous Banarsi sari and Agra ka petha made in India.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. हाँ.
And there are so many villages and farm in India.
अभी तो 15 दिन हुए तेरे को.
I proud of my country. That's it.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. Keep it up. बहुत बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, now. Mona.
Hello everyone, my name is Mona Meena. Today my topic is India. India is the biggest country and it is called Bharat Hindustan. There are 29 states in India. Many people live here and New Delhi is the capital of India. And there are many festivals celebrate like Holi, Diwali, Makar Sankranti, Eid, Dussehra, etc. Narendra Modi is Prime Minister of India. I live in India, in Rajasthan. There are many facilities in India like hospital, hostel, schools, etc. And I love.
बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है. घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी. बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है. बिल्कुल मत घबरा.
I love.
हाँ.
That's it.
कोई बात नहीं, बहुत बढ़िया मोना, कोशिश करती रहे बस, समझ गई ना?
Yes.
और रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए
Yes,
मैंने
sir.
बोले रखा, रिकॉर्डिंग करके जरूर सुन, अपने आप इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाएगा। देख, टाइम
Yes,
तो
sir.
लगता ही है चीजों में, लेकिन आज यहाँ तक पहुंची है, ये भी कम बात नहीं है अपने आप में, है ना? ओके,
Yes,
वेरी
sir.
गुड। यस, कम ऑन पायल। पायल, पायल, आर यू प्रेजेंट और नॉट? आई थिंक पायल इज नॉट प्रेजेंट। ओके, यस, भावेश आ जाओ।
No, sir.
तो बोलो फिर, इतनी तो मैंने आवाज
I
लगा दी।
presented.
प्रेजेंट तो बोलो आप, मैंने तो इतनी
Sir.
तो आवाज लगा दी आपको।
सर वो क्या है कि ना ये ऑन ही नहीं हो रहा था।
चल कोई बात नहीं, बोल फटाफट, चालू कर।
Hello everyone, my name is Payal. Today, telling about India.
हाँ,
India is a very beautiful country. India is a great country where people speak different language. Where people speak different language. But the national language is Hindi. India is full of different castes, religion and culture, but they live together. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India
बोलो।
sorry sir. Tiger is the national animal of India. Peacock is the national bird of India. Mango is national fruit of India. Jan Gan Man is the national anthem of India. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. Hockey is the national sport of India. Which India has 29 states and 7 union territories. There are celebrated many festivals in India like Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Durga Puja, Ganesh Puja, Makar Sankranti, Raksha Bandhan, etc. There are many food in India like dal bati churma, utma.
क्या हुआ? टाइम इज ओवर। आज आपका नेट सही नहीं चल रहा, चलो कोई बात नहीं है। यस, भावेश इज आल्सो फ्रॉम B9। यस, कम ऑन भावेश, वेरी गुड बेटा, आजा बेटा।
Yes, sir.
या
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Bhavesh Sharma. I study in Ramban English interactive classes. Today's talk about India.
वेरी गुड।
India is a very beautiful country. India is a very popular country. There are many people lived in India. There are different types of people here. There are 28 states in India.
देख के तो
The
नहीं बोल रहे हो,
prime
देख के तो नहीं बोल रहे हो आप? देख के
सर
बोल रहे
मैंने
हो?
लिखा।
अच्छा बोल
यस
बोल
सर।
बोल 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 बोल
सर
अभी
मैंने लिखा था।
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, बोल 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 बेटा।
सर किसी और से लिखवाया, मैंने लिखा है।
हाँ बोल बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, बोल बेटा, बोल बेटा।
The Prime Minister of India is Mr. Narendra Modi. India is known as Golden Bird. The Chief Minister of India is Mr. Ashok Gehlot.
हाँ
Delhi
चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ राजस्थान इज अशोक गहलोत। इंडिया का तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता है बेटा, चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं होता। बोल कोई बात नहीं, बोल आगे बोल।
The Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Mr. Ashok Gehlot. Delhi is the capital of India. There are many people eat chapati and vegetable in India. There are many national parks in India. There is one Raj Bhavan in India. There is one Raj Bhavan in New Delhi. India's national game is hockey. There are people so good and kind. There are many temples in India. People go and worship. There are many festivals celebrated in India like Diwali, Holi, Rakhi, Shivratri, Janmashtami, Guru Purnima, and etc. etc. There are many forces in India like Navy. There are many forces in India like Army, Navy, and Air Force. India is very greatest country in the world. There are play many games in India. I love very much India. Thank you, sir.
वेरी
Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया। सुनो, अगली बार से अपने को चाहे लिख लेना, लेकिन बोलना बिना देखे है। कोशिश करोगे तो वो भी हो जाएगा बेटा, है ना? बहुत अच्छा आपने लिखा और बोला, शाबाश, वेरी गुड। यस कम ऑन नाउ रश्मि। यस आप जा
Yes,
सकते हो
sir.
मोना। यस रश्मि।
Hello everyone, my name is Rashmi and I am talking about India. India is very biggest country and very beautiful. There are many people live. There are 27 states in it. And the India national bird is peacock. India national animal is tiger. There are many beautiful places, Hawa Mahal, Jal Mahal, Jantar Mantar, etc. And
घबराए मत, बिल्कुल भी, बिल्कुल मत घबरा।
there are celebrated many festival in it like Diwali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, etc. India peoples believe of God.
बोलती रहे, शाबाश।
India national language is Hindi and all languages used Punjabi, Marathi, etc.
शाबाश,
I love India.
वेरी गुड।
I love India and that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश रश्मि। B9 वाले जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं हमारे यहाँ, जिन्होंने 3 स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है। अभी तो 15 दिन हुए हैं इनको, बस ये कोशिश ही इनको आगे लेके जाएगी। और कोई है जो बोलना चाहता है? मेरे पास जो नाम थे मैंने सारे बोल दिए। कोई है और? क्लोज करूं मैं? ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।